Okay, second go. All right, we'll show you the game. It will be starting soon. And we'll tell you what's the best tips of each courses. All right, so 70, 80,
90,
100,
100.
110, 120, 130, and 140. Let's go. Make it epic.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
90.
90,
Oh, we're very excited. It's coming soon.
100.
110.
If it's orange, that means it's coming up really quickly.
Yeah, it's coming close. All right, ready. So it's quite easy to use on a laptop. You just need to press the space bar and use your arrow keys. The space bar will be for your speed.
Okay. So that's not the arrows you need to press for left and right.
That's right.
Press up to jump.
Yay, and you have to pass the checkpoints too.
To get more time.
The city cruising is the easiest one from the three tracks. Here comes the checkpoint.
So that's a speed.
Yep, that's the speed boost.
Get the
And
shield.
this one is the invisible sheet. So jump.
If you go through things and you get invisible, that means if you hit things, you don't crash into them.
Yeah, you can just pass through. Oh, like that. I forgot to jump.
You didn't see the
The
sign there.
drums, yeah. That's tricky. So grab as much coins as you can.
Oh, jump. Jump. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7,
You made it.
7. Here it comes, another checkpoint. Receive, I'm sneezing. Woohoo, oh, whoa, receive a jump.
Here comes the checkpoint.
um,
Whoa,
wow, we missed that
that
one.
was so high that.
Magnet!
So this is what they call a coin magnet.
Yes.
Even if you're not on the lane, it will help you get points. Alright, come on, checkpoint. You can make it.
Wow, that's so close.
It is. Okay, now we're invincible.
Yahoo! Crash into those cars. Just kidding. We're
Whoa!
unpredictable.
Oh no! My
Magnet!
magnet.
So, where's the coins?
Yeah,
Where?
it's coming.
We should
Whoa!
I'm screaming.
Oh, that's it. We get 254 coins and 6 checkpoints. Wow, that's amazing. All right, we go on the next one.
The desert,
The
please.
desert heat. Oh, that's too nice of you to say, please. All right, well done.
This is
So we'll use the
the second color.
second car, which is the aerodynamic. What can you say about the aerodynamic? I think it's very trendy, isn't it?
Yeah, and it has a four here. It's like a race car.
It is, yeah. Looks like it's have a very good speed.
And you can sit here.
But the car is open and we're in the desert. Oh no, I hope it's not too hot. It might be too hot for the driver. I hope you have some cover. And don't forget sunscreens.
Yeah. There are no persons who drive.
There is.
No.
It is us.
What?
Alright, last one, last bit.
It's just zero.
Go. Alright, so this is the desert heat. No,
I just want to press jump.
so done. Alright, so we're going on the speed. This
Oh.
will be a
Super
this is
jump.
a challenging course because they have a lot of obstacles.
Oh, super boost.
It's kind of tricky because they have a boost. Oops,
Two.
there you go.
Super speed.
We're safe.
Super jump. I'm a speed machine. I can take the water.
Whoa,
Oh.
I think that's nice.
There's finally a checkpoint
Oh no,
in the flag.
oh I didn't see the green car.
A checkpoint in the tunnel.
Yeah,
Get a jump. Super
that looks
speed.
new, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you get a
Hey,
few. Super jump. Oh, wait. You need to go to the center. You can do this.
times.
Get them. Oh,
Oh,
boost.
good.
Yes, you didn't miss that. Yes, come on. Yes, yes. Look at the magnet.
Mm-hmm.
I said get a magnet. Super jump.
Whoa, that's a high jump.
Ooh. Jump. With super speed. You know. But
Oh, we missed the.
because we're too high, that's
That's
why.
right. Come on, we can do it.
Come on, get the checkpoint.
Yay!
You. You
Whoa, that's
missed
a
that
very
one.
good jump.
Oh,
Oh, boost.
you missed.
Yeah. Oh, oh, we make it, Eddie.
Yes, I'm very surprised.
Amazing. That was so close.
I thought we were gonna run out of time.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh
Oh
no.
no.
Hello, car. You want me to crash on you? Whee!
It was quite funny because it went up and drop, drop because there's no time. So that's not too bad. We make 5 checkpoints. The other one was 6. And we made
85 coins.
85
That's
points.
close to 100.
Yeah, that's a very good
And this
number
one
of points.
means that's
The
the time
distance,
and
the distance that we travel, how far we travel.
yes.
So that's the desert heat. Now we're gonna try the alpine challenge.
Yes,
So
cold.
from the desert heat, we're gonna go to the cold. The
Okay.
next car to use is the X Races stock car,
Super speed.
and this is a red car.
Yeah, and it got fire and a 72 number.
It must be a very fast one.
Yes.
You reckon?
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's have a look.
Oh, skipping.
Yeah, it's quite fast.
So if it's skipping, it will be so long. It will be so short.
Mhm.
Just skip. Mm, amazing.
And what do you like with the 3 cores?
Oh,
Which one's your favorite? I think I like this one because snowman is here.
yes, me too.
All right. Hopefully we'll see snowman. Continue watching.
I, I said snowman.
All right.
And I saw the snowman. Snowman! Snowman!
Oh, there's snowman on the right side, kids.
Okay, I see. Oh, jump!
Thank you.
Jump!
Oh,
Hello,
snowman.
snowman!
Hello.
Bye-bye, snowman.
I'm sure we'll see more.
Yeah, me too.
The, what did you notice? The time is very short on this track. So this
Um,
is the most
the
challenging
best
track.
thing, the best thing of the city is because you get a lot of coins.
Coins, yeah. That's a good one. I like that one too about the city. And I like the desert heat because it have a lot of good jumping
Also,
and
jump!
good obstacles.
Jump.
Wow!
Hello, super, super
And this ones have
jump.
a lot more obstacles.
Let's do jump.
There's a lot of jumping for this one.
Yes, a fountain
A
of jump.
coin magnet.
Super jump and the speed machine.
Oh, I like that song.
Oh, come on, the middle. Oh, stay a point where you need to
Snowman.
go. A point where you need to go.
Right.
Jump.
Jump. We made it.
It's our own jump.
Oh, that was close. Oh, with a snowman.
Whee!
Coin magnet.
Oh, like that. Are you coins?
Let's go. Whoa! The coins are flying on the front of the car.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Hopefully we make it to another checkpoint.
Three.
The checkpoint's coming.
What?
Ah! We made it!
Yes, I know.
That's amazing. Oh,
Jump,
look.
jump.
Whoa!
And to crash. Okay, we
That's
need
a
to stay
big
on
block
this
of
line.
ice.
And jump.
Oops.
Don't worry. See?
Wow!
Whoa, jump.
Wow!
I'll do important directions. You down?
Yep.
Oh, oh, you guys are the snowman. Hello,
I
snowman.
got you and say hi to Snowman. Bad skills. Wow. We had 4 checkpoints
Wow, that's a long way.
and we have 59 coins. So kids, hope you like this game in Hot Wheels. Just ask your mom and dad to go to the website playhotwheels.com, and it's very easy to register if
And
you
we
want to
have
save your game.
and we have some tricks.
Yes, so if you register your some details, you can save your game like what we did, so that you don't need to go back and you can keep all the coins as well.
Yeah.
That's it for now. Bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe and please turn on your notification button. See you
See you
tomorrow.
tomorrow.